We'll guide you through how to download Dropbox for Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. You'll see a button that says Download right on the homepage. Click on it to start the download process. The Dropbox installer will be downloaded to your Mac, usually to your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Dropbox installer.dmg file. This will open a window showing the Dropbox installer. Double-click the Dropbox icon to begin the installation process. You might get a prompt asking if you're sure you want to open it. Go ahead and click Open. The installer will now download the full Dropbox application to your Mac, so make sure you're connected to the internet. Once the download is complete, Dropbox will automatically start installing. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. After the installation is finished, you'll see a Dropbox icon appear in your menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on it and a Dropbox login window will pop up. If you already have a Dropbox account, enter your email and password to sign in. If you're new to Dropbox, you can click on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Now, Dropbox is installed and ready to use on your Mac. You can start syncing your files and accessing them from anywhere. If you run into any issues, make sure your Mac is updated to the latest software version and try reinstalling if necessary. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.